We've officially entered prom season, and my next guest found a way to make prom extra memorable for her teen. She hosted a floral night before prom for her daughter and all her friends, so instead of buying their dates boutonnieres, they made them instead. Here to share the details is designer and friend of the show, Melissa Reynolds. This is so fun.
It is fun, huh?
Why isn't this a thing?
I don't know. It was not my idea. I can't take credit for it. It's my daughter and all of her friends, you know.
Yeah.
If I've learned one thing about teens, it's that they love a good trend.
We love it.
So it was so easy though,
Yeah.
honestly. And even the boutonnieres, they're so easy to make.
And they can get expensive.
Yeah.
When you're buying all the
Yes.
things, when it's your turn to buy,
Yes.
it can really get expensive. Was this a good way to cut costs?
Yeah, and like if you do it in a group,
Yeah.
definitely, because everybody just brings something, brings like a bunch, and you share it all, and it's a great way to get both things taken care of, and it was so fun.
So fun. Gorgeous display. You obviously have your flowers. What supplies are we needing to pull off this party?
Okay, so we had every girl bring a bunch of flowers, and every girl kind of wanted to match it to their dress, so it was good because we had a good variety. And then we also bring a bunch of greenery. You don't need a ton. This is one bunch right here.
Oh, this is only one?
This is one, so
okay.
you honestly don't need a ton. And
So pretty.
then we have ribbon to wrap around the bouquets when you're done.
Okay.
You need some floral tape and just some scissors and cutters. Oh, and these are little magnets that you glue on the back of the boutonnieres.
These are so much better than
I know,
pins.
I know.
Everybody take note. We need the magnets.
I know.
We need them.
So these are for the boutonnieres, and that's it. And you can rock and roll.
Okay,
once
well,
you have all
Melissa,
this.
can we make one?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's make one.
So I need to
Tell me what
preface
to do.
and say I'm not an expert.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
not a florist.
No, you own it. We're going to do this. We're going to do it together.
This is what I do. I kind of take all the branches off because it kind of makes it so
Can I do
it's
this?
cleaner.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I kind of start with a big one, and then we go from there. And I just take everything and bunch it in my hand, and you kind of take things off as you're going.
I like the orange and the purple
the
together.
orange is fun.
I feel like I want to. I've seen people do this before.
yeah.
You open it up.
Oh, that's a great tip.
I mean, I am an
See,
expert.
I told you I'm not an expert. That's a great tip. Oh. Well, maybe be less
You guys,
aggressive.
I'm not the expert. Keep listening to Melissa.
So we're holding and we're bunching, and something that I think is important is to make sure that there's like kind of layers in here.
Oh, layers.
So
Good point.
making sure that you have.
What are we making?
This is a corsage.
Okay, corsage.
Or I'm sorry, no,
A bouquet?
a bouquet. Yes,
okay, a
thank you.
bouquet. Yes.
This is a bouquet. So we're just layering as we go. I like the greenery to kind of be on the ends. That one's kind of big, so I'm probably not going to use that. Take our roses, and we're just going to take all the stems off. We're going to just bunch them up so they kind of just start.
Bouquets instead of like corsages, or
That's kind of what the trend is for dances now.
I love that.
And they're fun, and it's just a little bouquet
Cute.
that they carry around.
Cute.
I mean, they're still doing corsages, but
yeah. Okay,
this is
now we've
kinda
got our
what's fun.
bunch.
Okay,
Let's put it together.
we're taking our tape,
Yep.
and we're gonna tape it at the very top so it's tight, and we just wrap it around.
Okay.
Again,
You're very self-sufficient.
I'm not an expert. I'm doing.
As you wrap this
my best.
around, tell us how
Okay.
it turned out. Is there anything you do different? We're going to see pictures, so we want to know all the details.
I think you don't need as much as you think. When we were done, we had so much left over. Like, in fact, the girls
at those.
made bouquets and gave them to their moms.
Oh,
so you honestly don't need that much. And then you take your tape, and then you're going to take some ribbon and wrap it around.
Okay.
Glue it with a glue gun. And then we just cut everything to the length that you want. And your little bunch.
I love when they do the long ribbons. It adds so much. But again, this is all customizable with your flowers, your ribbons, everything. This is such a fun idea. Melissa, thanks for sharing with us. Where can we find more from you?
I am at Brass House Interiors on Instagram and online.
So fun. Love it. Fun follow. Thanks, Melissa.
Thank you.